What's going on, everyone? Charlie here. So, as expected, we had the securities financing service delayed. They both hit the register today. So, the SEC is going to take this to proceedings to determine whether to approve or disapprove the securities financing transaction clearing service. So, this just published to the register. It should be published tomorrow on the 12th. I'm sorry. Wow. Oh, this is actually, I've never seen that. That's weird. This one's 2 days out. Interesting. Okay, so this one will be published on the 12th for some reason. And then, as I expected, we also had DTC-014 taken to proceedings as well. Now, this is basically the DTC's supplemental filing to go along with the securities financing transaction. It's a proposed rule change to provide settlement services for transactions entered into under the proposed securities financing transaction clearing service of the NSCC. So this one here going to court as well. I don't think they're going to give any specific date because there is proceedings. So it's going to be rebuttal comments should be submitted by 35 days from the publication in the Fed Register, which this one's scheduled to be published on the 12th as well, which is Friday. So that's basically it. So this will take some time. I imagine, again, that 35-day period from Friday. So we're looking at mid to late December. So anyways, let's see what happens. Go Loop Ring.